All right, so here's another integral, and let's look for a discontinuity. Now, obviously, you can see that at x equal 1, we have a problem. So we have a discontinuity at x equals 1. Okay, and we're trying to integrate from 0 to 3. So that's across that value x equal 1. So this is a case where we have to break it up into two different integrals. Okay, so I'm going to integrate from 0 to the discontinuity, 1, 1 over x minus 1 dx. And I'm going to add to that the integral from 1 up to 3 of 1 over x minus 1 dx. Okay, so I just have to do both of those integrals, add them together, and I'll get it. All right, so let's do the first one first. Now the discontinuity is at 1, so I'm actually going to integrate from 0 to t. I'm going to replace my discontinuity at that point where the discontinuity is with t, so that then I can just sneak up on it. I can sneak up on 1 using t. So I get 1 over x minus 1 dx. All right, and that is the natural log of x minus 1, right? And I'm going to evaluate that from 0 to t. So I get the natural log of, it's a positive interval, right? So I know t, well, I guess I just have the minus 1. So let's leave it in the absolute value of t minus 1. Okay, and then minus the natural log of, I'm going to put in 0, right? So I get minus 1. But it's the absolute value of minus 1, so that's just 0. So the absolute value of minus 1 is 1, the natural log of 1 is 0. So this is just 0. And so I end up with the natural log of t minus 1. Okay. Now I just want to take that and do the limit as t goes to 1 from the left this time, because it's I'm coming at it from the left, right? So I'm going 0 up to t. So I'm coming at it from the left and of the natural log of t minus 1. Okay. Now, what happens is as I approach 1 from the left, it just starts looking like 0, right? So natural log of 0 is infinity. So I end up with, well, actually, we could draw it. It's actually minus infinity, I believe, if I come at it from the left, right? Well, and in this case, I have an asymptote. So it's essentially natural log moved over to the right by 1. So I have an asymptote at 1, and it's going to be minus infinity. Minus infinity. Okay? Now, either way, it's that limit does not exist. It diverges. Diverges. Okay? So I don't even have to worry about the other part. I don't have to worry about this, trying to integrate this from 1 to 3, because I already have part of this integral that is divergent. So that means the whole thing diverges. So this integral from 0 to 3 of 1 over x, 0 to 3 of 1 over x dx diverges. And that's all I need to know.